back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I'm Sky and I'm so happy that you're here for this one. Today we are diving into one of my new favorite books, which is called Beautiful Boards. I featured this book actually in my last video where I shared 4 simple gift basket ideas for that special woman in your life. If you haven't checked that out, I highly recommend it. I shared just 4 simple, but yet I feel like very intentional and thoughtful gift ideas. So today we are going to be making 2 boards from this book. This book features 50 amazing snack boards for any occasion. It's written by Megan Brown. I got mine at Target. I'm sure it's sold wherever books are sold. I'll link it down below, but I'm really loving this. There are ideas for every holiday, special occasion, you name it, and then also just for those laid back Sundays at home. So I am going to show you what we are going to be making today, and I am just so stinking excited. So we're gonna start with the Christmas tree board, and I love so much that this book has 2 different options for some of the different charcuterie boards, but this one's more meats and veggies and just kind of like hors d'oeuvre. And then if you want to hop over here on this side, they have an option that is more just those green veggies, and I think a little bit of fruit too. So I love that there's 2 options. We're gonna mess around with both. I think they're super cute and just kind of make our own version of it. And then after we make that one, we're gonna do the candy cane caprice board, and I'm so excited about this one. I feel like it's such an elegant yet very simple board that you can create and take to a holiday party or just enjoy at home with your loved ones. One thing that's really neat about this book, I mean, like any recipe book, it's gonna tell you how many people it serves, but what's really helpful is it gives you an idea of what type of board to use, what size, whether or not there should be a lip on it, and all of those handy tips. And then obviously shares some assembly suggestions and things like that, and then the ingredients. So you can follow these as loosely or as closely as you want to get your final product, and I just cannot wait. So I'm making these for my family. We're actually having them for dinner tonight, so we're having a fun little dinner. I feel like these would just be the greatest for taking to a holiday party this year, and I hope that you enjoy this video. We are just gonna assemble these boards and I'll show you what they look like afterwards, and yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna do a really quick grocery haul just to share some of the items that I grabbed for our charcuterie boards. These are all from Trader Joe's. So I have no idea how to say this. Brioche, is that right? I don't know. These little toasts, I think these are so cute. They're teeny tiny and I think they're gonna be perfect for our candy cane board. I grabbed some tomatoes. I don't think you'll care to see those. And then I thought this was interesting. This is a mozzarella cheese log that is pre-sliced and ready to serve. So I'm really excited about that. It should save some time. I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up, but maybe you can kind of see the slits in there. Instead of pepperoni slices or salami slices, I grabbed this turkey summer sausage for our tree. I think that I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of color to the tree with the meat. So we love this. It's nitrate free. We don't eat meat with nitrates, and unfortunately, like, not everywhere, but a lot of places only have pepperoni with nitrates. So we're gonna use this and slice it really thin. If you've never had Trader Joe's turkey summer sausage, you're missing out. We eat this on a weekly basis, just snacking with either crackers, cheese, you name it. It's just so good. For the little cookie cutter cheese pieces that were the star on the top of the tree, and then I think they did some other things down below. I might just do the star. We'll see how this works, but I was talking to somebody at Trader Joe's who was stocking the cheese and just said, I don't eat cheese, so I don't know what's good. I don't want a dry, crumbly cheese. because I'm going to be using a cookie cutter. So she recommended this Havarti Danish, and it's definitely more of like a moist cheese, so I am going to use that for the little cookie cutter star. Got some cucumbers, we love the English cucumbers, and then some sugar snap peas, apples and grapes. Grab some pre-cut broccoli because just time saver and convenience. All right, got the goods. We got some Kalamata olives. Side note, my kids are huge olive fans. The boys in particular love olives. Green olives, Kalamata. I'm not so sure about black olives. We haven't really tried those, but they love olives, and they also love pickles. So this is like the charcuterie board of their dreams. So I'm really excited. Let's go ahead and get to assembling. enjoyed this one and got some just great ideas for taking some appetizers or charcuterie to a holiday party this year, or maybe just cozying up by the fire and enjoying them with your family. I think this sounds like a great Christmas Eve type of meal. Everybody bring your own charcuterie and just indulge. Anyway, this is my last planned video of the holiday season, I guess, of the year. I'm planning to come back in right around the new year and sharing a video of just before and afters in our home. We've been here for a little over a year, and I always love seeing those progress and then, you know, just before and after transformations. I think they're so fun to watch, and I'm really looking forward to putting that one together. I hope that y'all have a wonderful Christmas, and I look forward to seeing you in the new year. God bless.